The 2013 Volvo XC60. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Volvo infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, power front seats, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.